appointment for a follow-up after my surgery, and I should be cleared for heavy lifting. Would you like somebody from 3:30ish until 7ish?
Hey everyone again, this is Jolene Jeffrey here. Probably one last time we'll see, depending on the beat, depending on the Union City train. We're just getting ready to end here today. I'm over at the CSX. We're at the CSX tracks. We're just watching the maintenance, replacing the railroad track right now. And then we're just getting ready to end the day here on the Train Expert channel. So I gotta thank the OC&T for replacing the passenger trains. Replacing the passenger trains and the light powers. And then I gotta thank CSX for doing all the trains. And then also those maintenance for being with us here on the channel. And we did have a Norfolk Southern truck was here after the two CSX went through. We'll get a chance and look at the CSX trucks while we close out, So, there we are, So I gotta thank the CSX people for being with us, for replacing the railroad track as well. And I gotta thank Chick-fil-A for our lunches today as well. Hold on. I think we have another train.
I think you're right.
I was going to get ready to close out. And another train is coming.
Hopefully it's not on that track.
Yeah, there's another train, so we're going to stick around. And this time it's in this phone here, because the phone's at the first... one of my own is batteried out, They're going to have to stop there for a minute, because there's another train coming.
It's moving slow, and it does look like it's over on that side.
Oh, no. Don't hit the CSX truck. Yeah, they're telling there's another train. I was getting ready to get off at another train, and there's the gates.
It must be the middle track.
Is it a middle track? All right. Oh, this is not CSX anyway.
Oh, you wanted to see one of these?
Here we go. It's like GP 38-2. Oh, wait a minute. We have another train. We have a meet, actually. Look at this. Yep, we got a meet. We got a Norfolk Southern local train meeting CSX freight train.
Oh, CSX is going to win by a lot.
You're right.
There it goes. Toodaloo. This is a fun spot.
Yeah, I was gonna get ready to get off for today, but we got 2 more trains coming. Good thing they got away from the rail, or get away from the train maintenance. There's a couple of BN grain hoppers right there. I don't know why Norfolk Southern shared with CSX. I don't know why. Because Norfolk Southern has their own tracks right there over the top. There's a Union Pacific, 2 Union Pacific empty lumber cars, and there's a couple of box cars said the same thing. This is going to be CSX Q367 meeting the Norfolk Southern C90 or C62. There's the ad. Now they can get back to work. Good thing they had to hold the pause to the cause by the CSX maintenance. Several on that train was Norfolk Southern C62. It starts off from Conneaut, Ohio, and heads to Northeast Pennsylvania. And several on this train here was CSX Q367. Starts off from I couldn't remember where they start off from, but I'll see what the wide roller train says, and I'll tell you that the next time we get the trains. So, all right, I think this is probably the last trains of the day, so we'll go ahead and finish out, closing out here. We're gonna close out right now with so once again, thank you very much for joining us here on Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. And as I said, we'll be back on probably Thursday for more trains. Maybe tomorrow, we'll see. Depending on what the weather is. Like I said, I got I gotta finish up that one train. We have another train? I heard something.
Mm-hmm.
I think we got another train. If there is, it's gonna be Norfolk Southern. I just had Norfolk Southern moments ago. Might be Norfolk Southern over here. Don't think there is another train, but I just want to see real quick, and then if not, we're gonna have to pretty much gonna be getting off here for today here on the Train Expert channel. Yeah, and so yeah, gotta and also thanks to the NS, we gotta thank the Norfolk Southern, not just the truck but the train with us as well. So great seeing the local that there. So we're gonna get off right now, and thanks for watching Jeffrey the Train Expert live train video on YouTube. We'll be back on probably Thursday or tomorrow for more train videos. Once again, I gotta upload one thing on the OC&T, and then I got 2 more of those today, plus the CSX, plus those CSX freight trains and intermodals, and 1 auto rack will be in there too. And I got the Norfolk Southern C62 will be on there tonight. So all the trains will be on tonight as well. So thanks for watching Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. Once again, we'll be back on probably Wednesday or Thursday for more train videos. So we'll talk to you guys later, and thanks for joining us here tonight here on this Train Expert channel on YouTube.